My name is Ajadi of God. I'm a student of Muritala, Ajadi, Animashaun Community Senior Grammar School. I am participating in this coding course sponsored by X3M Ideas, powered by instinctHub. I'm a student of SS2. This program has transformed me in ways I can't even explain in details. I've been able to create a code and structure it, create a web page, an existing web page, which I've not been able to do before. I've also been able to create an HTML code, store it in my GitHub, and create the repository. And it has been changing my life. I want to thank our sponsors, the X3M Ideas and instinctHub, for sponsoring us to participate in this program. It's been a lifetime opportunity, a once in a lifetime opportunity. I really appreciate it. I want to say a big thank you to you all for the support and the sponsorship you've given to us who have not been privileged to learn this outside. Because if we were to learn it outside, we're paying a lot of money. In fact, this thing is just, it's non-governmental, it's free. I also want to thank our instructors for the support they've done for teaching us accurately, and because they didn't take it that because they're teaching us for free, that they'll teach us anyhow. Let's just get it. They taught us well and we know what we're doing. Thank you.
My name is Wanchuku Favor. I'm from SS3. I'm a student of Muritala, Ajadi, Animashaun Community Senior Grammar School, and I am a student of the clothing class sponsored by X3M Ideas, powered by instinctHub. In a word, interesting. Before the program, there are some things, there are some computer things that I've not been able to understand. But due to this program, I've been able to understand them, and I'm very sure that if you ask me to help you do it, I'll be able to help you to do it perfectly. My favorite topic was cybersecurity because it has helped me to understand that there are various ways we can secure our files. Because there was an experience when my files, I downloaded a virus by mistake on my phone, and my files, everything got wiped off. But due to this topic, I know that there are some things that we can do, there are some precautions that I can take to prevent the loss of my files and stuff. HTML is the language used for creating web pages, while CSS is the language used for designing. I've not had any challenges on HTML so far. We use Git to monitor our changes in code, and we use GitHub. GitHub is a platform where we can push our changes to. And the processes of committing and pushing our code, we first start by indicating the location of the file. Then we can add it. We can use git add to add it, and let Git know that you're ready to start committing. After that, you can write git commit, then write the commit you want to start. Then pushing. Once you're already committed, you can go to GitHub and copy the remote origin, then paste it and you push. Thank you. I'm thanking you. I'm very grateful for this program, and I pray that we shall continue to do more for other students in Jesus' name.
Good everyone, my name is Nefemi Udipo. I'm a student of Muritala, Ajadi, Animashaun Community Senior Grammar School. My course is effective writing. I'm a class of SS2. I enjoyed effective writing because effective writing made me enhance on things I'm doing. For instance, I had an issue with the vice principal of this school, and effective writing will make me write an apology letter. Sponsors, X3M Ideas, powered by instinctHub. Thank you very much. God bless you.
My name is Loco Victoria Oluwatobuloba, a student of Muritala Ajadi Animashaun Community Senior Grammar School, and my course is effective writing, sponsored by X3M Ideas, powered by instinctHub. I finished all my projects given to me by my teacher. So we did effective essay writing, which was what we want to become in future, and we also did email writing about the request of a new toilet. That request of a new toilet, I really love that one a lot because it's what we are facing in our school. So she has given us the courage, and we know the 4 C's now. She taught us the 4 C's, which is to be clear, to be concise, to be correct, and to be coherent, to be compelling. Sorry. Yes, essay, we have the introduction, we have the body, and we have the conclusion. I'll say it has been a really good journey. Yes, I'm really grateful to my teacher. She took her really best, her time to come, and she really took her time to teach us about effective writing. Because basically we all thought that writing is just about letters and all that. But she made us to understand that writing comes in diverse ways, which is email writing, copywriting, content writing, and essay writing. So now we already know what type of writing to. If anybody comes to us and tell us we should write about any topic given to us, we'll be able to know where the topic falls under. I'll say a very big thank you. We are grateful to instinctHub, and we are an Extreme Tech, and also our instructors who, to be honest, they were really kind to us. They dedicated their time, even though that they are also learning and doing their work. They took out their time to devote it to us. So we say a very big thank you to them.